Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your headphones Philips on your iPhone. So basically we have few options how to check it. The first one, we can add the widget. So you need to press and hold at empty space, then click edit or plus at the left top, and add widget. Now, or scroll down and you need to find batteries and click at this batteries line, or you can also use a search and you can write batteries right here and tap right here. Okay, so here is 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click add widget. And you can check the battery level right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected with your phone. The second option is to use an application. You need to open Philips headphones application, and if your headphones also connected with your phone and turn on, you can check it right here. You will see the same menu, and right here at the top you can check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!